Welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore the powerful feature Variation Swatches by Ultimate Store Kit. It replaces boring swatches with eye-catching color, image, or label swatches. Use it on your product pages to visually showcase variations such as size, color, or style. This creates a more engaging shopping experience, boosts customer confidence, and helps increase your conversion rates. Ready to upgrade your store's shopping flow? Let's get started. When you first look at the product page, you'll see that options are presented as simple. While these serve their purpose, they lack the visual appeal and interactivity that today's shoppers expect. To elevate the shopping experience and make product selection more engaging and user-friendly, we will activate and configure the Variation Swatches feature available in Ultimate Store Kit. This premium feature transforms the way customers interact with product variations, making the process more intuitive and visually appealing. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard and find the Ultimate Store Kit plugin settings. Within the settings, navigate to the tab labeled Other Settings. There, you will discover the option for Variation Swatches. Enable this feature by toggling the switch, then make sure to save your changes. Keep in mind that this powerful feature is part of the Pro version of Ultimate Store Kit, so ensure your site has the Pro license activated before proceeding. After enabling Variation Swatches, return to your product page to see the immediate transformation. The traditional selection menus are now replaced by visually attractive swatches that showcase product variations in color, image, or label formats. This not only improves the overall aesthetics of the page, but also makes it much easier for customers to quickly identify and select their preferred options. Now let's walk through how to create and customize these swatches for your store. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, hover over Products and click on Attributes. This is where you'll set up the product attributes that define the variations your customers can choose from. Under the Add New Attribute section, you'll find fields labeled Name and Slug. The name is what your customers will see on the product page, so pick something clear and user-friendly like color. The slug is simply an internal, unique identifier used behind the scenes. Below these fields, you'll see the Type drop-down with options like color, image, label, and button. Since we're creating a color attribute, select Color and then click Add Attribute. Once the attribute is added, it will appear in the list on the right-hand side. Here, you'll see an option called Configure Terms. This is where you'll define the specific variations under your newly created attribute. Click on Configure Terms to proceed. On this screen, you can add your specific color options. For example, you might want to create a color called Orange. Enter Orange as the name and create a corresponding slug as well. Just below these fields, you'll find the Swatches color option. Here, you can pick the exact color using the Color Picker tool. After selecting the color, click Add New Color. You'll notice the color swatch appears on the right-hand side under your list of colors. If it doesn't show up immediately, simply refresh the page. Repeat this process to add as many colors as necessary for your product. After finishing with colors, we'll move on to creating another attribute, which is Edition. Return to the Attributes tab and add a new attribute named Edition. This time, select Label as the type because we want the edition options displayed as labeled buttons on the front end. Once again, click Add Attribute and then click on Configure Terms. Within the Edition Terms section, you can add variations like comfort, grip, speed, and waterproof. For each edition, provide a name and a unique slug, then click Add New Edition. These labels will appear similarly on the right-hand side, making it easy to review what you've added. Following this, we'll create a size attribute. Go back to the Attributes tab and create a new attribute called Size. For this one, choose Button as the type since sizes are best represented as clickable buttons. Click Add Attribute and proceed to Configure Terms. Enter your desired sizes, such as US 07, US 08, US 09, and US 10. After adding each size, click Add New Size, and you'll see these listed on the right-hand side. Now that your attributes are properly set up, it's time to create your product. Go back to the Products tab and click Add New Product. Start by giving your product a clear and descriptive title that accurately represents it. Below the title, you'll find a space to write a detailed description. Here, you should outline the product's key features, benefits, usage details, and anything else that would help your customers make an informed decision. Further down, you'll see a short description field. This serves as a concise summary of the product's main highlights and is usually displayed near the price on the product page. On the right-hand side of the screen, upload your product's main image and add additional images to the product gallery. These images help showcase your product visually from different angles or in various use cases. Don't forget to assign the product to the appropriate category, such as running shoes, to help customers browse efficiently. Next, scroll to the Product Data section. Here, you'll find 4 product types: Simple Product, Grouped Product, External/Affiliate Product, and Variable Product. Since we're setting up a product with multiple variations, select Variable Product. Navigate to the Attributes sub-tab under Product Data. Click on Add Existing and select Color. To include all available color options, click Select All. Once done, click Save Attributes. Repeat this process for both size and edition, making sure to include all variations and save after each step. Now move to the Variations sub-tab. Click on Generate Variations to automatically create every possible combination from your attributes. Expand each variation to customize its settings. Assign a specific image for each variation to help customers visually distinguish between them. Don't forget to set a regular price for each one. Any variation without a price won't appear in your store. Repeat this for all variations, ensuring consistency with images and pricing. Once everything is properly configured, click Publish in the top right corner to make your product live on your website. Now, let's open your page editor panel. From the widget list, locate the Add to Cart widget and drag it into place below the product price section. Once added, open the Content tab where the layout settings are located. Here, you have the flexibility to toggle the quantity field on or off based on your preference. You can also adjust the spacing between the quantity field and the addition option for a clean, organized look. Additionally, you can customize the text and icon for the Add to Cart button to align with your brand style, as well as set the button's alignment on the page. Next, navigate to the Style tab to fine-tune the visual aspects of your Add to Cart section. This area is divided into 2 sub-tabs, Normal and Hover. Within the Normal sub-tab, you can change the text color and background color to match your design palette. Moving to the Hover sub-tab, you have the option to adjust the text color, border color, and background color when users hover over the button, enhancing interactivity. Returning to the Normal sub-tab, you can further personalize the button's border by selecting the border type, adjusting the width, choosing the color, and setting the border radius and padding. Typography settings allow you to select font style, size, and weight, ensuring the text complements the overall design. To add a final touch, you can apply a box shadow for depth and dimension. Now, let's focus on customizing the variation swatches themselves. Start by modifying the label color to ensure it stands out on your product page. Adjust the right spacing to control the distance between swatches, making sure the layout remains balanced and visually pleasing. You will find typography options to tailor the font style and size of the labels to your liking. The Variation Swatches section also includes 3 sub-tabs: Normal, Hover, and Active, each allowing for detailed customization. Within the Normal subtab, you have control over the text color and background color to create a clean and consistent look. You can customize the border type, adjust the border radius for rounded edges, set padding for spacing inside the swatches, and define the gap between swatches to keep the design organized. Box shadow and typography options give you additional creative freedom to enhance the appearance. Below these settings, you will find options to customize the reset text color, adjust left spacing, and tweak the reset typography to ensure all elements blend harmoniously. The Hover subtab allows you to set different styles that appear when a user hovers over a swatch. Here you can change the text color, choose a background type such as solid color or gradient, and add a box shadow to make the swatch pop. The Active subtab offers similar customization choices for the currently selected swatch, giving you the opportunity to highlight the chosen variation clearly. After you have finished customizing your variation swatches and the Add to Cart button to your satisfaction, don't forget to click the Publish button to save your work. That's it. By enabling and customizing variation swatches, you've transformed basic drop-downs into attractive, user-friendly options that enhance the shopping experience. This not only makes product selection easier, but also helps boost customer satisfaction and sales. Explore the settings to match your store's style perfectly. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching Ultimate Store Kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful widget tutorials. See you in the next one.